Welcome to our channel. Today, we're thrilled to present the latest innovation from Lenovo. The IdeaPad Laptop 2024 Flagship. Packed with cutting-edge features and powerful performance. This laptop is set to redefine your computing experience. Let's dive in and explore what makes it truly exceptional. First up, let's talk about the display. The Lenovo IdeaPad Laptop boasts a stunning 15.6-inch Full HD display, providing crisp visuals and vibrant colors. For an immersive viewing experience, whether you're streaming your favorite content or working on graphics-intensive tasks. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 3 7320U processor with 4 cores and speeds of up to 4.1 GHz. Coupled with 8 GB of lightning-fast LPDDR5 RAM. This laptop delivers lightning-fast performance for multitasking, productivity, and entertainment. Need ample storage for all your files, documents, and multimedia? Look no further. The IdeaPad 2024 Flagship comes equipped with a spacious 512 GB SSD. Ensuring rapid data access and seamless workflow, while Radeon Graphics ensure smooth visuals for your gaming and creative endeavors. In addition to its powerful internals, the Lenovo IdeaPad Laptop boasts a sleek and stylish design, making it a statement piece wherever you go. The integrated webcam ensures crystal-clear video conferencing, while the fingerprint sensor adds an extra layer of security for your peace of mind. Connectivity is key in today's fast-paced world, and the IdeaPad 2024 Flagship doesn't disappoint. With Wi-Fi 6 capabilities, you can enjoy blazing fast internet speeds for seamless browsing, streaming, and online collaboration. Last but not least, the Lenovo IdeaPad Laptop comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, offering a sleek and intuitive interface along with enhanced productivity features to help you work smarter, not harder. In conclusion, the Lenovo IdeaPad Laptop 2024 Flagship is a true powerhouse, combining cutting-edge performance, sleek design, and advanced features to elevate your computing experience to new heights. Whether you're a student, professional, or content creator, this laptop has everything you need to unleash your potential. Thanks for joining us today as we explored the Lenovo IdeaPad Laptop 2024 Flagship. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and insights. Until next time, stay tuned and stay tech savvy.